Hello guys, welcome to Eric Munda Capital, and today we are going to learn how to use the harmonics pattern in conjunction with the inbuilt harmonics pattern, and how to use the manual harmonics pattern, that is using the Fibonacci retracement tool and also the Fibonacci expansion tool. The website that I'll be using is tradingview.com. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. The Fibonacci is one thing that has almost been there ever since the beginning of times. We use it to trade, we use it for so many other things, including architectural designs, engineering designs, all those things. So I'm going to show you how a basic XABCD pattern looks like. Then you're going to get on to using the manual Fibonacci tools. So you're going to come here, patterns, XABCD. So X is usually the highest point in a descending market structure like this one. X, we'll put our X here, then our A will be the lowest point here. Assuming that our graph is up to this point A, then that would mean our B would be around this point, and our C would be lower than our A, which is exactly what it has done, and our D will be higher than our A. Yeah, so basically that's how Fibonacci a harmonics pattern looks like. I can also do another one right over here. We take the X here as our highest point, the A being our lowest point. You see, we meet our B here, so we expect our C to be around this point and our D to be around the same point, just like over there. Yeah, so you can see X, A, B, C. So let's look at another one, an inverted pattern. I'm using the monthly time frame, so that's why you can see the graph is a little bit short from 1994. So let's switch to daily time frame so that we can be able to see more of these XABCD patterns. And these patterns may occur with other patterns such as the M formation, the W formation, and also the head and shoulder formation. Yeah. So let's take this one, X, A. This automatically becomes our B, and we expected our C to be here and our D to be somewhere here. So you can see from this one, it didn't work out. So this was not a valid XABCD pattern, or rather harmonics pattern. Yeah, let me see for another one right over here. Let's look at an inverted XABC. So in a ascending market structure, we use X as our lowest point, then A as our highest point, then B will automatically be around here, and then we expect C, you can see this level, to be around there, and then D would be there. Yeah, so this is another one, but another weak harmonics pattern. Yeah, another one will be right over here, X, A, B. This was actually perfect. B. That's how it is. This was one perfect harmonics pattern. It also goes hand in hand with the Elliott waves, which we're going to talk about them in my next video. Yeah, I'm going to talk about them in my next video. So another inverted one A very nice inverted one was this one too. X, A, B, C, then D. This was also another fantastic one. Personally, I would have waited up to point B to get on my trades. Yeah, so it would be XA. No, sorry, I would have gotten on A, sell it up to point B, then buy it again so that I can sell it from point C to point D. Yeah, so let's look at the same one using the Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci expansion tools. We are going to take the Fibonacci retracement tool, and then we are going to place it on our X. We go all the way to our A, and then we are going to take our Fibonacci extension, and then we are going to place it still from X up to A and then back to X. Yeah, I hope these numbers are not confusing you guys. Yeah, but I find it better doing on the Meta. You can try doing this on the MetaTrader 4 or 5 platform. It's actually much better. So it's in something like this. When we present this one as X and this one as A, then we expect our B to be in between that 0.382, which is 38%, to 61.8%, which is 0.618 here. So let us put some horizontals there to show you better. So this here is 61, and this here is 38.2. Yes. So you can see after X we have made our A. So after our A we expect our B to be in between these levels, and it actually has maintained that. You can see the graph has actually maintained that level there, and then our C will be between will be above the 100% mark, which is normally is 127%, which is normally one on this one will be 1.27, which is normally here around this point, because this is 1.6, so it will be around here. So let's put a horizontal there. That's our point C. It should not surpass this. If it surpasses this, then that harmonics pattern becomes an invalid setup. So we have found our point C. So let's look for a point D. Our point D will be below the 70% mark. Yeah, which on this is actually 0.78 mark. So you're going to take this. This is our C, and so our D. You can see also the market, when it reached our C, it retraced to form our point D, which is in the same level as our point B, but not in all cases. Yeah, not in all cases. We mark there as our point C. So for you to see better, I'm going to name them. This will be X, and this will be A, and this level here will be B, and this will be C. This will be our C, and then this will be our D. This was actually a very good one. A very, very, very good one. Yeah. So let's look at another one with using our Fibonacci extension. So let me start by using this. So you can see X, A, B, and then it becomes C, and then our D becomes here. That's also another good one. Using this same method, I'm going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool first to denote my X to my A. Yeah, there. So this will help you find B, which, as we said, will be in between what? That the 61 to 38. You can see this level here. Yeah, this level here. After it has reached even B, this level here, and then it plummeted to C. Now to find C, we come here, we take our Fibonacci extension tool, which is here, and then we start from X to A all the way back to X. So if you look at this graph, you can see that the C, we expect the C to be below the A, yeah, below here, and you can see here it is 1.10, so we expect the C to be around 1.27 on this one and 127% on the normal Fibonacci retracement tool. That will be your C, which you can see on it actually has made it on this level, yeah. And then our D, we say that it will be above the 70% mark on the Fibonacci retracement, yeah, which is actually at the dot on this one, yeah. So yeah, those are actually the basics of using the harmonics pattern, the XABCD pattern, yeah. And also we have a PDF which is heavily detailed on these types of setups. You can find it at www.ericmondacapital.com, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook. On Twitter at emondacapital, and on Facebook at ericmondacapital, and also on YouTube at ericmondacapital. We have some good videos there. We are continuing to add many other videos there. So cheers guys, have a fantastic day. Let's meet when the markets open. Cheers.